Disney Plus is home to content from 6 major brands: Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, National Geographic, and for bundle subscribers, Hulu, Max, and ESPN. That's a wide range, so let's go category by category. Disney Plus has one of the deepest movie libraries in streaming, covering decades of animated classics, blockbuster franchises, and family favorites all in one place. The classics are all here: The Lion King, Frozen, Moana, The Little Mermaid, and the full Pixar library, including Toy Story, Finding Nemo, and Inside Out. On the Marvel side, every film in the MCU is available, from Iron Man all the way to the most recent releases. Star Wars fans can also stream all the main saga films, plus the spin-offs. On the newer side, Zootopia 2 recently arrived on the platform, and upcoming theatrical releases like Moana, Toy Story 5, and The Mandalorian and Grogu are expected to arrive on Disney Plus later in 2026. Beyond movies, Disney Plus has built out a strong lineup of original series, spanning Marvel, Star Wars, family comedies, and live-action reboots, with new episodes dropping regularly throughout the year. Percy Jackson and the Olympians Season 2 is also available following Percy as he ventures into the Sea of Monsters. The Muppet Show, a brand new special featuring Sabrina Carpenter, is on the platform as well. For classic fans, all 4 seasons of Hannah Montana and the Hannah Montana movie are currently streaming. Wonder Man, a new Marvel original, launched earlier this year too. One of the most anticipated Marvel releases right now is Daredevil, Born Again Season 2, premiering on Disney Plus on March 24th. Coming in April, Star Wars Maul, Shadow Lord, is also confirmed to land on the platform. For sports fans, Disney Plus gives you access to a solid range of live events and coverage through ESPN. No separate app required if you have the right plan. That includes live college basketball championships, PGA Tour events like the Players' Championship, and NWSL soccer. Looking ahead to April, subscribers can also catch the Masters, NBA playoffs, NHL playoffs, and WWE WrestleMania 42 through the platform. If you enjoy documentaries and nature content, National Geographic is one of the strongest categories on Disney Plus, with titles covering wildlife, science, history, and exploration. Current titles include Cheetahs Up Close with Bertie Gregory, which follows a cheetah mother and her cubs in the Serengeti. Coming in April, Secrets of the Bees explores the hidden world inside a single beehive, filmed over 3 years using special cameras. Also arriving that month is Orangutan, a Disney nature film releasing on Earth Day, April 22nd, 2026. Disney Plus also offers bundle plans that expand the library even further. The Disney Plus and Hulu bundle opens up Hulu's full content library alongside everything on Disney Plus. That means you can also watch shows like The Bear and The Kardashians. The ad-supported version is $12.99 a month, and the ad-free version is $19.99 a month. If you want sports on top of that, the Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Select bundle adds live coverage of college football, the NBA, MLB, and more. That plan starts at $19.99 a month with ads, or $29.99 a month without. If you want the full ESPN experience with even more live sports, the ESPN Unlimited version of that bundle is also available, starting at $35.99 a month. For the widest content library, the Disney Plus, Hulu, and HBO Max bundle adds HBO originals like The White Lotus and House of the Dragon. The ad-supported version is $19.99 a month, and the no-ads version is $32.99 a month. Overall, Disney Plus gives you a massive library across family movies, Marvel, Star Wars, National Geographic documentaries, and live sports through ESPN. All in one place. The bundle options make it easy to add more content depending on what you actually watch. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to get started with Disney Plus, you can find the link in the description. Thank you for watching.